Ano oras ako natutulog? Alas 5 ng umaga. Magigising alas 3 and I will go about my day. Minsan nakakalimutan ko mag-toothbrush. Disgusting, I know. But like, linis ka? Malinis ka, be? Joke lang. Minsan, I will go through my day nang walang ligo. And December is the perfect time to do that, babes. You need to be in your rodent era. Give me a few rodent weeks. Give me rat weeks. Kapag may gala, go, ligo. Get dressed up. Go for it. Punta tayo kay friends. Go. The next day, walang ganap. Let's rot together. Nood tayo movie. Gusto mo mag-relapse? Nood tayo ng serye, tara. Anong gusto mo? Guys, sa pelikula? Anong gusto mo? Bad Buddy? O tara, watch natin yan. This December rin, I am in my rodent weeks. Go, bumalik ko sa ML. Nandahil rin sa bestie ko. Go, ano ginagawa ko every 2 a.m. Rank game. Magpakadalubhasa tayo kay Kagura. Go. Yes ba? You deserve it. Don't beat yourself up for it. So pagpasok ng January, paldo-paldo tayo ulit. Attack tayo ulit. Yes ba? Feel your oats lang talaga kung gusto mong umiyak. Go. Prime time to process everything. Not only kung ano nangyari na few weeks, in the past few weeks, but the whole year, babes.